If you're looking to track platform-specific trends over time and gain actionable insights, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the best way to do that in under 3 minutes, so stick around. When it comes to tracking trends, it's not just about collecting data, it's about understanding shifts and making them work for you. To effectively track platform-specific trends, you need to leverage the right tools that analyze data from specific social platforms, websites, or any platform that fits your business needs. Now, if you've ever tried tracking trends manually, you know how tedious it can be. But with the right software, this process becomes automated, faster, and way more insightful. The software we're using today is designed to track data across multiple platforms and break it down into easy-to-understand insights. You'll be able to monitor trends across platforms like Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and even niche communities, giving you a complete picture of what's relevant right now. So how do we track these trends? First, you'll need to input the keywords or topics you want to track. The software will then monitor these keywords over time, showing you how interest changes on different platforms. You can view trends by location, platform, or even demographic groups, so you get precise insights that align with your audience. Next, we're going to set up your monitoring for alerts and notifications. This way, you'll know when a keyword starts gaining traction, or when a platform sees a sudden spike in engagement. This is where your strategy can change. By being the first to spot new trends, you have the opportunity to act on them quickly before others catch on. Another key feature we need to talk about is trend comparison. This allows you to see how trends are evolving across platforms over time. For instance, if you're tracking a hashtag, you can compare how it's performing on Twitter versus Instagram, and you can even dive deeper into post performance or engagement rates. And for a more comprehensive overview, you can pull reports that show how a trend has grown, shrunk, or remained stable across multiple platforms. You'll get visuals, graphs, and real-time data that make this information easier to digest and act on. Now, if you want to try this out for yourself, I've partnered up with the software provider to offer you an exclusive free trial to follow along with the tutorial. The link is in the description below, and it's only available to my viewers. It's an awesome tool, and I've personally tested it with some of the most popular platforms. Trust me, it's worth checking out. The key takeaway from today's video is this: tracking platform-specific trends over time is all about using the right tools to gather and analyze data efficiently. By doing so, you'll have an edge over competitors and be able to make more informed decisions about your content and marketing strategies. To quickly recap, input your keywords, set up monitoring and alerts, compare trends across platforms, and pull reports for insights. It's all about getting the data you need to stay ahead of the curve. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial linked below so you can follow along and start tracking trends like a pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.